अभी I just saw a meme regarding Bruno Fernandes कि टॉम हैंक्स का एक मूवी था ना फॉरेस्ट गम जिसमें वो भागते रहता है तो उसका फोटो था और
1992
ऊपर कैप्शन था कि ब्रूनो फर्नांडिस व्हेन ही हर्ड दैट वेम्बली में पेनल्टीज चल रहा है तो ही केप्ट रनिंग मतलब उसकी भाई की पेनल्टीज में मतलब बंदा अच्छा है यार लेकिन उसको इतनी
अरे but he
पेनल्टी
was
मिलती
good.
है और उसका मेरे को गुस्सा गुस्सा इस बात का आता है जो उसका एक्टिंग प्ले है ना वो बहुत एक्टिंग प्ले करता है मतलब सो हेलो गाइस वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ द नटमेग शो एंड
Yes.
I have with me Praful who you must have seen before in the one of the videos I posted on YouTube, and he analyzed the game Bayern versus PSG, the Champions League final. So we have him with us for the discussion over the match that took place tonight. As of I'm recording this call, he is with me now,
They
and
say the
Arsenal.
curtain raiser.
Yeah, yeah, and Arsenal have won.
And they say it's a curtain raiser, and then Liverpool comes up with the strongest team possible. Yes,
Yeah, seriously,
obviously.
seriously.
What is this? We have our major players quarantined in a different country.
Yeah,
Lacazette,
yeah, I
Pepe.
heard.
They are not even like Willian
Lacazette.
for that
I
matter.
think Lacazette also.
Yeah,
Yeah, he was
yeah.
quarantined as
Laka,
well.
Laka, Pepe,
Hmm.
and then Willian. They're all quarantined, and here
Hmm.
Klopp is, he's ready to put the best possible Liverpool
Hmm.
side we could have seen,
And we
apart from
have,
Jordan Henderson.
so I have some
Mhm.
of the questions lined up for you regarding tonight's match.
Sure,
So,
sure.
going with the formation, as we have seen, Arteta is choosing back three, and he is always going with the back three, the
Yeah,
three
yeah,
four
yeah.
three formation, which we are not
Hmm.
used to. So, what do
Yeah,
you think with
accustomed.
Saliba
Yeah, yeah,
and
yeah.
Gabriel coming in? Do you think he'll go with the same back three or he'll switch to the back four,
Mhm.
the regular back four? What do you think?
So see how I see is this. It's like we have Gabriel and Saliba, a
Hmm.
good center back pairing. They could be
Hmm.
our Sol Campbell and Kolo Toure. But the
Yeah.
important factor is age, right, and the exposure. So Saliba is 19 years old, and Gabriel,
Hmm.
if I'm not mistaken, 22.
22,
And Gabriel
21.
has only played 45 odd games. On
Hmm.
Yeah, and he's played only 45 odd games on the
Hmm.
prime level, and so does Saliba. Saliba only has a single season under his belt. So as we saw today also, Saliba was
Hmm.
not starting
Yeah, yeah.
because what happens is at this age of 19, we saw with Rihan Brewster today, right? He missed that
Hmm.
penalty and it's going to haunt him for days.
And it
So it
it
takes
was
a
the
little
very
bit, a
first kick
big
of his
character to
game, the
come out of
penalty
these
which he missed,
situations.
the penalty which is missed.
Exactly,
It was the
exactly,
very first kick of the game for
exactly,
him.
exactly. So I feel bad for him, but yeah, it goes in our favor,
Hmm.
so it doesn't matter.
Hmm.
But so things like these in the age of 19 years, so Arteta is being very cautious with him, and I like
Hmm.
that about him.
Hmm.
So I see that I see is this way that for the first 10 to 12 games, I
He's
think we
not
are going to
he's
see a
not
back
rushing
three.
him directly
Yeah,
into
yeah,
the game and using him
yeah, yeah,
straight away.
exactly.
Yeah, he's doing.
Exa- Exactly. I think we are going to try Gabriel and Saliba in Europa League fixtures first because
Hmm.
the initial fixtures are easy, and then
Yeah.
he will see if it goes because
Hmm.
at the moment back three is what we can do because
Hmm.
David Luiz in a two is horrible,
Yeah.
right? In a two he cannot
So
defend.
to
In a three he
accommodate
is like the
him,
commanding
yeah, to
soldier.
accommodate him in the first team, he is going with the back three just to accommodate him.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly.
Hmm.
Because I don't think we can put Saliba and Gabriel together on a pitch in a Premier League match.
Hmm.
Premier League is
Yeah.
ruthless, and Gabriel and Saliba have not played in Premier League. Yeah, even though they have the potential of being the best,
Hmm.
and our fan base is too rushy about judging.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
like
They
they are praising
right
Saliba at
away
this
they
moment,
start
right? If he
slating
gives
players. Yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So that is also in the back. So Arteta is Arsenal through and through, right? He's
Hmm.
spent a lot of time in Arsenal, so he knows how fan base also works. So he's trying
Yeah.
to
Yeah.
expose him,
Hmm.
this is slowly, slowly. So as I see, he'll start in Europa League matches.
Yeah.
Even so, in worst, so the most surprising thing we can see is even though if he starts with back two, like back four, the two fullbacks and the centre back, it will be Gabriel and David Luiz because they
David
are
Luiz.
Brazilian
Both are Brazilian. Yeah.
yeah, so communicating. Yeah, so
Hmm.
communication will also be a key part. And he is 22 years old also. He's played in Champions League also. So Gabriel
Hmm.
comes first rather than Saliba, according to me.
Hmm. Yeah. Okay.
But in overall, for longer term, I think he is aiming for a back 4-3-2-1,
Yeah, because
the way
Saliba
City
and
plays.
Gabriel, they are our future centre backs. We will be
Exactly,
relying
exactly.
on them in the future, in the coming years.
Yeah.
So for now, yeah.
They are the project. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So
I still think we are lacking in a creative role. Today also we saw we are too relying too much on Aubameyang space, right? And this that we are
mhm.
all our goals and all our threats are coming from left hand,
Left
which
hand, right?
the Kieran Tierney
Kieran
and
Tierney is playing,
Aubameyang's
yeah. And
the link
I
up.
think Saka
So
was
in
not
today's
at all
he should,
comfortable in the right flank.
yeah,
He's
because he's
used to in the
only
left
one
flank.
footed, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, he's one foot. But even though he did good, so you see today also in today's goal, so Kieran Tierney gave him an overlap run, right? So Joe Gomez was Nico Williams was first defending
Yeah,
Aubameyang one on one,
Aubameyang was
and then the
exploiting
moment
Nico Williams like anything. He is not at all
exactly,
experienced. Yeah.
but we can give him a pass, right? Because Nico Williams is 18
Yeah, yeah,
and
yeah.
yeah, like, he is coming into the
He's
scene. So
just, yeah,
Aubameyang is
starting.
too much for him. Yeah, so in that goal also, Kieran Tierney gave him an overlap run. So Nico Williams was now confused. Should I go for Tierney? Should I go for Aubameyang?
Yeah,
And the
yeah,
moment
yeah.
he went for Kieran Tierney, Aubameyang
He was
came and
missing his
boom.
zonal markings a lot,
Yeah, yeah,
Nico Williams.
yeah. Yeah.
So
So
coming
I
on
think
to,
in
yeah, go
future
on,
it's
go on.
going to be 4-3-2-1.
Four,
Yeah,
three,
in
two,
future
one.
it's going to
Okay.
be 4-3-2. Yeah, yeah. The
Mm-hmm.
way so like I see Gabriel Saliba, Kieran Tierney,
And
specialist left back,
Bellerin
and if Hector Bellerin is
stays.
still there, I think
Yeah. He's linked to
for
Juventus.
me,
He's
I will
linked to
start
Juventus at the
Ainsley.
moment.
But he's linked to
Bellerin.
every year to some big clubs.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, because he's a La
Mm-hmm.
Masia product, right? So his
Mm-hmm.
stakes are always high. But I
Yeah.
think Ainsley is a better right back than Hector. I love Hector, but right now because his link up play with Pepe is amazing. They both
Mm-hmm.
understand their game
Mm-hmm.
well, and Pepe is not too comfortable with Bellerin, right? So I see Xhaka and Partey as the
Pivot.
CDM
The
partnership,
yeah.
and then we got to get a creative player. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm
Or
hearing a lot of noise that
Uttam or
Willian is going to play that number 10 role.
number 10.
Awar, nah, I
Okay,
think it's
okay.
too ambitious. Awar is too ambitious because
Mm-hmm.
he's going to be 60, 70 million player now.
Easily, easily.
Because so if parties are prime target, then Awar, as we also heard in Fabrizio Romano said, Arteta is in love with Awar and like the board is in love with Awar.
Yeah, they're chasing
I
him.
don't
Let's see.
know.
Fingers crossed for now.
Uh,
Even if he comes, it's a
yeah,
plus to our team.
after Pepe, anything is possible. I
Mm-hmm.
never thought they could, get a deal of 72 million. So yeah,
Yeah.
the attack
So,
is pretty much sorted with
mhm,
Pepe, Laka, and Oba. I'm happy
mhm.
with that.
So getting on to the next question, what do you think Liverpool missed today? Did they
Yeah,
miss TA and Henderson in the middle? Because a lot of their attacks is
I
coming from
think
the
they
flank,
missed
and TA is having around about 22 to 25 assists, I think, on his name, and even
yeah,
Robertson.
TA is mad.
Hmm.
TA is a gem. I
Hmm.
really like him. He's a wonderful player. He's amazing going forward and his free kick abilities. I think he
Hmm.
lacks some defensive duties. But I think anyways, the spine of Liverpool team and the spine of their success in
Is
the
through the
this
flank.
the last whole season was Jordan Henderson. I think
Okay.
that is the reason some people were criticizing everywhere Jordan
Hmm.
Henderson for getting the player of the season. I think the he look first of all he is Liverpool through and through, right?
Hmm.
He was there for when Steven Gerrard left. He was passed on the armband, so
Hmm.
he knows his responsibility as a scouser.
Hmm.
So his determination on the pitch, even though when Liverpool are down at times, one goal, two goals, the
Hmm.
energy he generates, the thrust he generates,
Hmm.
he pushes the team, to the next level
And they lack a
because
lot
they
of
don't have a
forward passes
player.
today. In the first half, they were completely losing a lot
Exactly.
of forward passes, the third
Yeah,
in
yeah.
passes, the final third passes.
Even though
They're
they
not
were
good.
not clinical, I think Salah
Hmm.
and Mane are are normally
Salah,
very clinical.
Salah was
I think
almost, I
maybe
think he was invisible in
Yeah.
today's
No,
match.
no, no.
Salah was not even there.
I'll tell you, Salah was in pocket of Kieran Tierney. Yeah,
Seriously.
mark
Yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah.
In not only in today's match. In the
Hmm.
the previous Liverpool match at Emirates,
Hmm. Hmm.
Kieran Tierney, he was in the shadows of Tierney, right? Tierney is perfect Scottish left back. Never let him touch the ball. Even
Never.
Mahrez, he pocketed Mahrez in
Yeah, yeah.
Manchester City game,
Hmm.
and now again Salah. If Ben Chilwell is going
Even
for
Traore,
15
I think,
million,
even
Kieran Tierney is
Traore,
worth over 80
Adama
million.
Traore, when we were facing Wolves, if you remember.
Yeah, at
Hmm.
Wolves. Yeah, he was
And
subbed off after 60 minutes at Wolves, and
hmm.
then Ainsley came, and
uh,
from that match,
yeah,
Ainsley
yeah,
is
yeah,
a
yeah.
new monster.
Seriously, seriously, man. He's
Ainsley is
playing.
monster.
Even in today's match, he was playing out of position. I think Ainsley Maitland-Niles.
Yeah,
put in his
actually,
natural
as I
position.
see him, he's a proper midfield player.
Mm-hmm.
As I see him. But if he's lucky to play for the badge of Arsenal. So,
Mm-hmm.
I mean, he's justifying his role. If he's getting opportunities, he's
Yeah,
giving
yeah.
his
That
100%.
is enough for him.
So,
Yeah, I
in
just
that
need to
respect,
play. So my next question to you is regarding Obama Yang. A lot of our
uh,
fans are slating him every now and then that he is not a big match player. And as far as I can see in the last few games,
I,
scored twice against City game, twice in the FA Cup final against Chelsea, and even today, if we are counting the penalty shootouts, he was again on the score sheet twice. So what do you think?
and I mean,
We
what he
we know
did to
we
Kurt
know he's a
Zouma.
big player game. We know that, but rival fans they keep comparing him with Martial and with the likes of many. Matlab, I can't even say the you must have gone
Uh,
through what all sorts of
yeah.
comparison they do on Twitter when it comes to Obama Yang.
See, Aubameyang, first of all, is doing this for past 5 seasons in two different
Mm-hmm.
leagues, right? With only
Mm-hmm.
Lionel Messi, Ronaldo, and Lewandowski have done it. 20
He
goals
was
every
on
season for
levels.
five.
He was on levels with Lewandowski in the Bundesliga. They
Yeah,
used to challenge
yeah,
for the golden
even
boot.
even though in
Yeah.
Germany,
Mm-hmm.
exactly. Got the golden boot in his first season in Premier League. Came
Mm-hmm.
second, just missed with first, one goal after that. Even
Mm-hmm.
playing in this Arsenal team, the most the less creative Arsenal team, I say, he's
Mm-hmm.
not getting much support from the midfield.
The middle. Yeah.
And what some of the things he's doing, should be illegal. The way he ended Kurt Zuma's career, it was exactly Thierry Henry what Thierry Henry did to Zanetti in Milan
Hmm.
versus Arsenal game. Oh my God! And today's goal,
Uh,
even Ellison Becker's 17 million value just came down to 35 million today.
hmm.
That
What
goal!
a
Oh my
banger
God!
of a goal
What
he scored, man,
uh,
today.
and that too after just 45 minutes of football. He came from a vacation. MK Dons,
Hmm.
he was the match against Exeter, he was
MK
looking
Dons, yeah.
very dicey and
Hmm.
they are not in a touch. And I was having doubts today. Personally, I should tell you this that I was having doubt today that Auba is not fresh. I will not give him stick about that because he's coming from vacation.
Hmm.
Last season was very tough, very challenging. But after that, the way he came inside,
Yeah, and that was,
sent
I
the
think,
defender
our
on the other side, and
very first shot on target. That was our very first chance created, that Oba
yeah,
chance. Yeah,
exactly,
and
exactly.
if you would have seen that goal, it was created right from the back.
Yeah,
With
yeah,
the
playing
first
from
touch
the
of
back. Oh my
Emi
God.
Martinez, they kept passing through the back and they went sideways through Tierney. I think Tierney
Hmm.
gave him the pass, or no, Saka gave him the pass. Oh,
It was
from yeah,
Saka
right flank
drifted
to yeah.
from the right,
Mhm.
and then from his left
Yeah, yeah,
leg,
yeah.
from his left boot, swung it
Yeah,
into
yeah,
him,
yeah.
and then
He found
he
Obama Yang
Tierney gave him
and
the overlap.
yeah.
Yeah. At times, I am nervous also when they are playing from the back. Sometimes, yeah, most of the times we are getting good out of it,
I was
but
having
we don't
heart in
have
my
patience.
mouth
So
because
the moment
if
they,
if you would have seen, they were pressing Martinez like anything. He was on the ball, Martinez was on the ball, and there were two players marking Martinez. They were going for the ball, and I was like,
I think
bro,
I think I think this is
don't concede from this position at
no,
least.
so, so, this thing suits when the likes of Saliba and Gabriel comes in, right?
Hmm.
Because they are good with the ball. They are good on the ball.
Hmm.
So one is left-footed, one is right-footed. They are
Hmm.
comfortable on the ball. So once so he's trying to build a system for the future, right? So
Hmm.
he is going to play from the back. Arteta
Because
is going to
yeah,
play from the back.
that is the
That's
Arteta
what
ball,
his
I
style
think.
is.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Hmm.
I am very much afraid about what's going to be our goalkeeper situation next this
Yeah,
coming season.
both
Both are tremendously good.
even Arteta
Leno
said
is
the new
number
season is starting and they both have to fought for their places. The first team, who's gonna be the first
Yeah,
keeper
because
because
look,
both are doing so good.
we cannot sell Leno, right?
Obviously not.
Leno's age factor, and
Mm-hmm.
Leno is phenomenal.
Saved a
Let's
hell
just
lot
put
of
it that way.
times,
But
Leno. Hmm.
Emi Martinez is putting some exceptional
Man,
performance.
his
Like
patience
he is
over 10 years
knocking on
he's
the door.
waiting for the first team selection.
So the
So
problem he wants to be Argentina's number one now. So he wants
mhm.
first game football. I'm
Yeah,
hearing a lot of
and
noise that they are
he's
ready to
linked
sell him
to
for 20 million.
he's linked to Brentford, I think, the Manchester club Brentford. He's
Okay.
linked to them. They
Okay,
are bidding for
I
him.
think he'll go. I think he will if he is to leave this club, he'll eventually end up at Spain. Because I
Mm-hmm.
don't see any because 20 million for a keeper is big sum, and
Mm-hmm.
he's I guess 30 years old now.
Yeah.
So that
Mm-hmm.
also comes into. But you know, I have this gut feeling that he'll end up at Arsenal only. He'll stay.
But
I don't know. It's just
that's
a
going to
gut
be
feeling.
good for us only, having both the first team keeper and the
Yeah,
backup keeper both at such levels. So fingers crossed for now. Hope he stays. So coming on to Maitland
yeah,
Niles.
better than 17 million
Kepa.
Kepa Azirbalanga.
So I was asking you about Maitland Niles. He is for sure the man of the
Yeah,
match, and he's linked to
amazing.
Hotspurs and Wolves. So what do you think? Are
Yeah.
we in a position to let him go? Should we let him go, Maitland Niles?
So I was reading. So today, Spurs announced Matt Doherty from Wolves, right? So they
Mm-hmm.
have sorted their right back position. Wolves, I guess, only to spend the money they have got from Matt Doherty, which is 15 million, and Arsenal's valuation of Ainsley is 20 million. So I don't see any other club. So they are saying two clubs in Germany. I
Mm-hmm.
don't see two clubs in Germany spending over 20 million for Ainsley, right? And he is
Mm-hmm.
Arsenal through and through. Arteta
Mm-hmm.
likes him. So
Mm-hmm.
there was some rumor that Don Raul is gone. Raul now.
Yeah, yeah,
He was
yeah.
trying to sell A&M to raise
Mm-hmm.
funds for Partey and
Mm-hmm.
OR. So see, if look, so my stand is I feel 90% he is not going to go. Ainsley is going to be an Arsenal player. But if
Mm-hmm.
he goes for some 20-22 million amount of
Mm-hmm.
money, and then we get Partey or OR in our team,
Mm-hmm.
that's good bit of business.
Mm-hmm.
So it's not going to haunt us even in the future because for
Okay.
that money because
If we
if we are
are,
bidding
yeah,
already 20.
yeah, if we are spending that 20 or 25 mils to buy other players, then it makes sense, you're saying. Otherwise,
Buy
it
other
makes,
quality players.
yeah, quality
Yeah,
players.
yeah. Because the Thomas Partey and or are legit quality players. If Thomas
Mm-hmm.
Partey's release clause is not there of 45 odd million, he is a
Mm-hmm.
70-80 million player for
Seriously.
sure. We are getting him a lot of shit. So if we are already bidding 20 million plus Guendouzi for Atletico,
Mm-hmm.
so if we get 20-22 million from Ainsley's sales, it
Mm-hmm.
gives it matches the valuation of 45 million for Partey. So
Mm-hmm.
if
Then we'll
we
easily
sell
get him.
Ainsley and get Partey,
Mm-hmm.
good business. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'll feel very terrible about Ainsley. He is because he is in Arsenal till age of 7.
Mm-hmm.
So
Academy player,
that's
yeah.
the DNA of Arsenal is
Mm-hmm.
yeah. So but you know you have to take some hard steps. You have to take one step back to go two steps further.
Yeah.
So
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
So it's still in process. Let's see how it goes, how it unfolds. So the thing that
Yeah.
I was going to talk about was in the last 10 minutes, as you have seen our previous performance, Arsenal, if they concede a goal, they go all down and they look weary and they don't try much. But in today's match, in the last 10 minutes, the way we played from 80th minute to the 90th minute, they were going for goal.
Exactly.
Even Liverpool was in
Exactly.
back foot. So that was
I
the urge to score a goal and not go for penalties. That was something else that I took from this game. So Arteta did
I
that
was
part
amazed.
right.
You
Yeah.
know what? Exactly. I was amazed by this. But no, you know what I think because this philosophical change or this mindset change
Hmm.
is came from the moment we have got a silverware, right? Now
Yeah.
we as a team, this Arsenal as a team which Oba is leading have got a taste of silverware. Now they know
Hmm.
what does it mean. So the problem is
Yeah.
not from down from the roots. As you
Hmm.
said, as you said, as if you have gone through Saka's interview when he signed 5 years contract, he
Hmm.
said when they were in academy, they had this Jack Wilshere ka photo everywhere on the wall.
Yeah.
So they
Yeah.
were dreaming already from the age of 7 and 6 that they are going to become Jack Wilshere and
Hmm.
going to get through the first team. So
Yeah.
the culture is always there. Now they have got a taste of silverware. So the hunger
Hmm.
we saw the last 10 minutes
Hmm.
was they want to again celebrate in a dressing room with
Hmm.
that silverware. They know how does it feel to,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
we missed out on Champions League. Obviously, I'll take any day top four and not get FA Cup. But now they have got the taste of silverware with Arteta. So once you get the taste of silverware, now the mindset is different. Now you're a champion team. Now you want
Hmm.
to look. So in the last 10 minutes, the hunger we saw was no, we want that community. Even though it's the curtain raise, it's not such a big deal, but we have got
Hmm.
this 16th time, second to Manchester United.
And now
So yeah, I feel
Liverpool fans are gonna say that yeah, you won a glorified friendly. So what? And if they would have
no.
won, if
Liverpool
they
fans,
would have won, they would have said,
they
yeah, we won a trophy.
Liverpool fans. Liverpool fans can say anything they want because they should go and listen to Jurgen Klopp's interview. I was going to Jurgen Klopp's press conference and he said we are going to play
Yeah, we
tomorrow's
wanted
game
to
the
win.
best
Yeah,
possible
and we
play,
wanted to
the best
win.
possible
Yeah.
game we can.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, exactly. We wanted to win, put out the strongest lineup we could have imagined for
Yeah.
Liverpool. They
Mm-hmm.
said the last match also they were chasing 100 points last match also in
Mm-hmm.
at the Emirates, and
Mm-hmm.
the team was 100% without.
Yeah.
There were every people, even
Mm-hmm.
Robert, Trent Alexander-Arnold, and then also they lost. Yeah, last match they
Mm-hmm.
gave us gifts,
Yeah,
but
they gave us
have to
gift,
be in the
but
box to be received.
yeah. We converted them. So yeah,
Yeah.
obviously.
So Liverpool fans, yeah, I know it's not a big trophy, but in a stage where we are, they were also 4 years
Mm-hmm.
ago in that stage only.
Mm-hmm.
They were also struggling, new manager, yeah, a lot of rich history, but things were not going good in their way. We are
Mm-hmm.
in the similar position, so they should fear us now. That 2 3 years
Mm-hmm.
down the line, we
Yeah.
could be the new Liverpool,
Yeah.
as
Yeah.
I
The psychological
inshallah.
advantage that it gave today, the silverware, the community shield.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Now you see, it also raises our stake in the transfer market, right? Because of the
Mm-hmm.
FA Cup win, we are now a silverware team in England, right? Now, and we on top of that,
Mm-hmm.
we won Community Shield. So now, if we are going
Mm-hmm.
to deal with the likes of Pavard and Partey, they know that
Mm-hmm.
we win every year. We win some silverware. We are
Yeah.
not like AC Milan, the giants,
Even
like they
even
were
if
big giants.
even if we were not
Inter
winning the
Milan are
silverware, I'm saying, even if we were not winning the silverwares, the Arsenal pull is so much greater that yeah, they want to come to Arsenal and they want to play in this project. Their part, yeah. So that's the case. So guys, that's it for now, and hope we didn't stretch the video too long for you, and we were bearable enough for you to on the other side, yeah. So we didn't bore you in this video for too long. So just like the video and share the video, subscribe to the channel, and at least share the video with the other football fans as well, that this content reaches out to them somehow, because we are making such content for them only. So please, we need your support, and thank you, Praful, for being with us on such short notice.
my
So
pleasure.
yeah,
Big up to you.
yeah, thank you. So we'll meet you guys soon. Thank you, Praful, for being with us on such short notice, and we'll hope to see you soon in the coming videos as well. So it's good to have you on the podcast. So thank you, and thank you guys. Stay safe, be happy, and we'll meet you
Come
soon.
on.
Yeah, go Gunners. So okay, thank you. Bye.
Good night, guys. Stay safe.
Yeah, yeah.
Bye.